will be there forever. I bet it.
No, my dad made that. Don't do it again. Don't color on it.
I'm gonna color your name.
Taylor, don't color on this.
Her dad colored it. Ew, that sounds wrong. Look at the beautifulness. I'm color crayon on my tongue. Ow, that hurt. What was that? Macy, I found your person and I hit myself with it.